Hello, this is Stanley, and today I'm going to present the DP2 presentation of our team, and our team product is the drink mixing machine. So today we're going to focus on the functional decomposition, concept generation, the gallery method feedback, and the concept selection. First of all, we're going to review our fundamental topics: mission statement, customer profile use case, the customer needs, and the specification of a product. First is the mission statement. So from our mission statement, we create this table to plan the goal and the purpose of a product. And the most important thing inside here is the assumption of our product. And we want our product to be under one cubic foot, and it should be cost less than $150 to build the whole thing, and the tank inside that holds the beverages should be over 1 liter. Second, we want to understand more about what we need for this product, so we create a customer profile and the use case by sending out different survey and interview different people that's from Virginia Tech, the college students, to understand more about our customer needs. And so from sending out all the survey and the customer interviews, we gather all the data and have the result to create this table by rating and ranking all the customer needs inside customer seasons and turn it into interpreting need inside this table. And by this, we can understand more about the future goal of our product should be like. So we want to understand more about the specification and the customer needs. We create a 2FD table to have a visualized result of the relationship between the customer needs and the specifications. So for the functional decomposition, our main product is the drink mixing machine, and we have 3 different input, and it's come up 3 different results. So first is the beverages. It's gonna plug into our drink mixing machine and it come out with a mixed drink. The second would be the electricity. It's gonna be plug in and it's gonna come out with the light energy that's for the LCD display that's gonna display our recipe, and the power that triggers the pump to sort water or liquid from our tank. And the last would be user input. That's the recipe of different mixing drinks or the cocktails into the mixing machine, and it's gonna display on the LCD and for the user to choose what they want to make. For reaching these goals, we have generate a concept combination table from our team, and the first would be the data storage. Data storage, we have 2 different concepts. The first one would be Arduino internal EEPROM. It has less storage and only have 2 bytes, but it take up less space inside the machine. And for external EEPROM, it have more storage. It can storage more recipes, but it's gonna take up more space inside of a machine. The second one is the liquid selection. The first one is we're gonna use 1 tube between different tanks. We're gonna just switch up the tube inside different tanks to select different beverages. The second one would be 4 tubes. It's gonna be 4 tubes into 4 tanks, and the last one would be 3 tubes into 3 tanks. And for the liquid storage, we have external tank. It's gonna just use the original tank of the beverages. And the second one would be 4 individual standard tanks that we designed. We're gonna make everything look the same, and it's gonna look more organized. And the third one would be 3 individual tanks. It's gonna reduce the space inside the machine, and it's gonna reduce the weight of the total product. The last one would be 4 individual tanks, and 1 is gonna fill with water. It's for our cleaning system. So by using the 635 method, we have generated 8 possible solutions, 2 from each member, and these are the solutions that we came up with. From the gallery method and the feedback, So by using the concept table, these sub-functions and the solutions that we came up with, we have generate this poster to show our result from now. And so for the combination table, you can see, like I just said, all the possible concepts that can be combined into a solution, and the colors on these combination tables are the different combinations of the solutions. And for the sub-functions, we have using the Arduino storage and the EEPROM, and the tanks that is original tank of the beverages, are we gonna use like a standard tank of those of the liquid storage. And the last is the liquid selection. We're gonna use only one tube switching, or we're gonna use different tubes in different tanks. And these are the solutions, and I come up with this, come up with different members. And the feedback that we got is we should consider more about the selections, about the electricity, the voltage. And so we come up with the solution of we're gonna use the wall plug, and we're gonna use a 12 volt to supply our Arduino, our external EEPROM, our pump, and our LCD to work from all those selections. And the other thing is we want to, so the customer says our machine will be hard to move, so we're gonna add a lift onto our machine in order to have to let it easier to move. So from scoring and ranking all the solution of our all the possible solutions, we have come up with this CAD module, and it's gonna be our final solution. So we choose to use a Arduino board to control the whole system, and we're gonna use an external EEPROM to store at most, we're gonna create like at least 64 different kinds of recipes to make mixed drinks. And we're gonna use a standard tank that can hold up to 1 liter, and that fits that fulfill our requirement of the machine needs to fill up 5 milliliter cup, 3 500 milliliter cup without refilling the whole machine and the beverages. And we're gonna use 4 different tubes into these 4 different cups, different tanks, in order to have a better control accuracy of the filling liquid. And we're gonna use a liquid selector here and a pump here to get the liquid out and get the liquid into here, and the pumps and the cup's gonna be here. And the last thing will be there's a LCD here to let the customer to select the recipe that they want to make. And we're gonna have a cleaning system by simply ask the customer to fill the water into those tanks, and it's gonna clean, and the water is gonna be collect onto this part. And this is our product DP2 presentation. Thank you.